Oops. Oh shit.
Do what? What was that?
Oh shit. I think I'm messing my pants over here.
Oh no, get some wipes.
Oh man. Thanks for watching, everybody. By the way, while I'm continuing recording this, forgot to tell you, I'm making a YouTube video here. It was a middle thing, but here we go. We're still doing it. Ooh, I think a little bit more came out with that one, I think. I'm not sure.
Okay, Rosie, I heard.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Sorry it wasn't so short this time, but, I still enjoyed making this YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it was funny.